Hi guys, today in this video you are going to learn how to make money using Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus is a website from where you can make thousands of dollars online every single day. How does Warrior Plus works? It's a very simple method. Warrior Plus is an affiliate marketplace. That means you can go to warriorplus.com, select any product which you want to promote, start promoting it and earn a handsome commission. The best part about Warrior Plus is that there are lots and lots of upsells and downsells in those products. And for each upsell or downsell a customer buys, you get commission for those as well. So this is the basic theory behind Warrior Plus. Now how to make money, how to get started. If you please continue to watch this video till the end and I'm sure you'll be able to learn that. Now before getting started, I'll recommend you to like this video and make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get updates of our future videos as well. So as you can see that this is the Warrior Plus website. It says warriorplus.com. This is their official logo, so you can also recognize it by this. Now this website is accessible throughout the world. You can be from any country of this world and you can create your free account. So you can see that it says your profit is our business, best in class sales and marketing automation platform and marketplace for digital business owners and online marketers. Now we are online marketers and it is the best platform for us to find products to promote. Now here you'll see that just like you, there are thousands of other affiliates making thousands of dollars every single day. You'll find top-notch products which you can start to promote instantly, and they have an amazing and powerful tracking software using which your every sale will be counted, every upsell will be counted. Now they have a great community, they have amazing products, amazing customer support. You can see there are some very positive reviews from a lot of positive people here. Then the process is very simple. You just need to create your free account. You need to find an amazing product and start promoting it. Now to choose Warrior Plus, there are 6 major reasons. One of the reasons is it's a stable platform. It's working in this internet since 2006, so it's not like some new company which will take your money and run away. Then they have amazing support, amazing experience. They have powerful technology which is running this whole thing. They're continuously evolving and adding more features. They have a good community where you can ask questions, get your answers, get support, get feedback. So you have all of that stuff. Now 2 other things which I like about Warrior Plus is that they have a deal of the day thing, which is like the hottest offer running right now, which you should promote. This is a recommendation by Warrior Plus themselves. And there is another thing called as contest. So on Warrior Plus you'll see various contests that if a new product is launched and to make maximum sales in 24 hours will get something. So lots of benefits are there, additional benefits, additional bonuses. So now let's take a look at the sign up area. So you need to come to this website and click on free sign up. And here the sign up process is very simple. You just need to enter your username, password, email address and then click on I am not a robot and then click on create account. No complicated forms, nothing. Now once you create your account, it will send a verification email and then you need to verify that. I already have an account, so I'll log in. So I'm logging into my account, and now in your account on the home screen you'll see a dashboard like this. So here you can see all the products which are trending right now. So these all products are trending right now and this product is the deal of the day which they themselves recommended. This is an amazing deal for people. So you can start promoting this as well, or you can see various other offers which are available here. Now if you want to see sales pages of each of these, then you can just click on it and see that how this offer is looking. This product Clickets is very popular. It was launched by Elite Media Online a few months ago and has reached over 15,000 sales so far. I'll show you. So this is Clickets landing page. You see it's so beautiful, so amazing, so highly converting. Anyone will be able to purchase this once they go to this page because the statistics shown, the way it is made, the words used, everything is amazing. The product is made by Jason and Seun and it's really great product and people are actually giving amazing feedbacks to this, and that's the reason that they were able to make over 15,000 plus sales on Clickets. Now it's not just a $19 software, it also has other upsells along with it, and these upsells are so good that you'll have money on every step the customer goes through. Now similar to that, they have other products as well which you can start promoting. In the same way, there are many other vendors here which are adding their products on a daily basis and you can select the best ones from here and start promoting them. Now as an affiliate you need to come to this and then you need to click on offers to see all the offers running around. So if I click on offers, you'll see there are over 8,100 plus pages. So now how to find the best offers? The method to find the best offers are very simple. You need to see high conversion rate. For example, this one has a conversion rate of over 28% and has just 5% refund rate. That means every fourth person or third person you are sending to this website is converting. So this is the best part. This offer here has a conversion rate of 11%. That means every 9th person you send to this website is purchasing the product, and it has a refund rate of just 3%. So this is how easy it is to find amazing products on Warrior Plus. Now you can also take a look at this button here, request. So if you click on this request button, you'll see a page which has all the information about this product. So this is the product, this is how it appears, this is the person, this is the vendor who has uploaded it, and you can also see various statistics here, like so far they have made 3,000 sales, the conversion rate is 9%. Every visitor which comes to the website makes you around $2.28. Then the refund rate is lesser than 1%. So that's really good, really popular product. Now if you want to see how this page looks like, you can click on visit sales page, or if you want to take a look at this visit JV page, then you can also take a look at that, because here they have explained you everything, that what is needed, what they will provide. So everything is available to you. In fact, they'll also show you all the money you'll be making. For example, the first product is of $17, which we see right here. So the product is $17. Now someone purchases the $17 product, you get 50% commission. Then the upsell is $29, you get 50% commission for that as well. The second upsell is also $39 and you get 50% commission. The third upsell is $39, you get 50% commission. The fourth upsell is $197, you get 50% commission. And the fifth upsell is $147, you get 50% commission. So you see there are lots and lots of upsells in this. Now not only that, you'll also get additional bonuses, like for every sale you make, the person with maximum sales get $2,000, second one gets $500, third one gets $250, fourth one gets $150, fifth one gets $100. So these kind of offers are available where you get not only your affiliate percentage, but if you win these contests, you also get more sales. So they are really encouraging people like us internet marketers to make money. Now to promote it, you just need to click on request approval button, and it will ask you a basic request note option, that why do you want to promote it. So you can just give them a good explanation that I want to promote this because I think this is a good product and I strongly believe my audience is going to like this product and they are going to promote and they are going to purchase this product. And then click on request offer. Now once you get your request approved, you will see an affiliate link will be generated here. Then you just need to use that affiliate link to send visitors to this website. And you also know that for every 9th visitor you send to this website, you get a sale, right? We just read that here, that for every 9th person you send, you get a sale. So now from where you are going to send these visitors? So to do that, let's go to youtube.com. I'll show you how other people are doing it. So let's copy the name first and I'll show you. And you can go to youtube.com and search for the product. So I just searched for Flare review and you can see that other people are already promoting Flare. Now just imagine how much money they would be making, and they are not some very big channels. You see, they are just very small channels having like 1,000 subscriber, 5,000 subscriber, nothing like huge or nothing like that. Now as you can see that this guy here has just 1,000 subscriber and has received over 164 views. This guy here has 6,000 subscriber and reached 254 views. So these kind of views are not a big deal as long as you are able to bring some good audience. Now what happens is that when you add a video like this, like you see in the description, they have added their JV link. In the description they have added their affiliate link from where you can purchase it. Now what happens is that out of those 200 people who have watched this video, at least 100 would go to this and click on this link. Now from our statistics which we got from here, that every 9th person was converting. You see, if every 9th person is converting, that means out of these 100 people, at least 10 people has purchased the product, and 10 people has purchased the product means you'll be making, out of 200 people, let's say 50% of them actually visited the page. So you see 100 people have visited the sales page so far. Now you want to see how much money would be made. So that's also very simple. The approximate conversion rate is 10%. So 10% of 100 is simply 10. 10 people have purchased the product so far using this affiliate link. And now let's do further maths. The cost of the product was $17. So the vendor has made 10 into 17, that is $170, and you have made $85 just from posting a single video. And this is not it. This video was posted just a week ago, and that's why it has so less views. If it goes on the same pace, within 2 months this will be having over 1000 views, and you'll see that this person would have made $300 to $400 by just posting a simple video of 8 minutes. You see, there is nothing complicated being done to this. Now this is how I want you to make money online using Warrior Plus. This is how hundreds of people are doing it. And you see, all the offers here are going to have the same kind of video reviews. So you need to do the same thing. You just need to go to this website, generate your affiliate link, and start promoting it on YouTube via reviews. If you want to review the product when it's launched, you can also contact the vendor directly, and then you will get their approval, and then they'll also send you the access to the product so that you can start reviewing it. So you don't need to invest any money, yet you can review these products and generate a very good income. Now, creating these kind of reviews is not a hard task, to be very honest. You just need a computer to record your screen. So Loom is a free to use software which is used for screen recording, and it records screen without any watermarks. So that's the best part. You can just record it via Loom, speak about the product, speak about the benefits from the sales pages, and that's it. That's all which is needed, because as long as the customer is able to go to the sales page, they will automatically be converted, because the sales page is so beautiful and so amazingly created. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Now before you quit, I would like you to like this video and press the subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you get notifications of our future videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.